Hey guys, I'm Rob Graham. I am the original founder of DIY Dummies, the group, as well as a few other groups. And I am the founder also of Detailing Entrepreneurs Let's Talk, the podcast. Now, my ultimate goal was to sync the two, DIY Dummies group, with the podcast, and so that I could allow you guys to be more involved in every part of it, because I really want it to be about you guys learning and me not just being somebody that's teaching you, but finding people to interview that will teach us all. So I want to learn with you. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm trying to learn the game, and I'm trying to share it with everybody. And ultimately, McKee's 37 has blessed me in a way that's made it possible. So this basically means that you're going to get some great stuff from McKee's 37 all the time. Like when we did the podcast that Ron was supposed to be on, we had some technical difficulties, but ultimately he gave away 6 awesome prizes. That being said, we got some great stuff coming from McKee's on the regular basis, and sometimes we even get to try stuff before it's even reached market yet. So we get the inside scoop on some of the greatest products in the industry, and often get the opportunity to try them before anybody else. So I recommend that you get on the bandwagon and join us with the future podcast and play these trivias, because you'll get to try a bunch of new stuff, and it's a lot of fun. So the next thing you should be doing is clicking on the link that I'm going to share with this video, and you should be following every part of my platform, starting with the podcast.